ever found yourself with a stomach ache before a big event, or felt queasy during times of stress? It's not just coincidence, it's the complex conversation between your brain and your gut at play. The connection between our emotions and our stomach is real and scientifically proven. When we are anxious, excited, or down, our gut is listening and often reacting. This chat between your brain and your gut is why you might dash to the bathroom when nervous or lose your appetite after a tough day. Today we are talking about brain-gut connection and how to improve it. Anxiety and stomach problems are big issues all over the world. A lot of people go to the doctor for these problems every year. The connection between our gut health and our feelings, particularly anxiety, is often described through something called the gut-brain axis. Let's break this down into simple terms to understand what's really going on. Firstly, the gut-brain axis is like a busy two-way street where messages are constantly being sent back and forth between your brain and your gut. This involves two main players, the central nervous system and the enteric nervous system. The central nervous system is what most of us think of when we talk about the brain and the spinal cord. It's like the main control center for the body. The enteric nervous system is a bit less known but equally important. Think of it as the brain of your gut. It's a huge network of nerve cells lining your gastrointestinal tract. This gut brain works on its own to manage digestion, but also talks directly to the brain in your head, sharing updates on how things are going down there. Now let's talk about the microbiome, another key player in the story. This is the community of bacteria, fungi, and viruses living in your digestive system. This microbial metropolis plays a vital role in your health, aiding in food digestion, fighting off harmful bacteria, and producing essential chemicals. These chemicals include neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, the so-called happy hormones, which are pivotal for mood regulation. An imbalance in these microbes can lead to a decrease in the production of these hormones, causing stress, anxiety, or depression. Here's where it gets even more interconnected. Research has shown that our gut microbiota, this vast ecosystem within our digestive system, significantly impacts our mood and stress levels. When we are stressed or feeling low, it can shake up the balance of this community due to stress, hormones, inflammation, and changes in how our nervous system works. This shake-up can mess with our mood and change our eating habits by affecting serotonin, a key chemical that helps us feel good, among other important brain chemicals. When talking about gut issues like irritable bowel syndrome, which comes with inflammation and possible shifts in our gut microbiota, it's interesting to see how often these are linked with feeling anxious or depressed. Long-term stress can disrupt our digestive processes. Recent discoveries show that our gut bacteria communicate with our brain, producing neurotransmitters that can either alleviate or exacerbate anxiety and depression depending on the predominant bacterial species in our system. Or another example, reflux. Reflux is when the acid from your stomach goes back up into the tube that connects your mouth and stomach, which can irritate it. It's something a lot of people feel now and then, especially after eating too much. But if it happens a lot, it might be called gastroesophageal reflux disease, which is a more serious form of reflux. Now, how does feeling nervous or stressed play into this? Well, being anxious or stressed doesn't cause reflux, but it can make it feel worse. When you're stressed, your body is more sensitive, so the burning feeling from reflux might seem stronger. Also, stress can make us eat more or choose foods that aren't great for reflux, like spicy or fatty foods, or drink more coffee or alcohol, which can make reflux happen more often. Sometimes the discomfort from reflux can make you feel more stressed or anxious, creating a cycle where each one makes the other worse. To help with this, finding ways to relax and making some changes in what you eat and how you eat can really help. So the health of your gut plays a significant role in regulating our mood and how we respond to stress. Stress doesn't just make reflux unpleasant. It throws a wrench at our entire digestive process by messing with the hormones we need to break down food. This can lead to discomfort like bloating, heartburn, and stomach pain, highlighting the importance of managing stress for both reflux relief and overall digestive health. Here where it gets a bit complicated. Having gut problems can actually make us feel more stressed or even embarrassed, especially in social situations or at work. This added stress can then make our digestive issues even worse, creating a vicious cycle where problems with our gut and our anxiety keep making each other stronger. To break free from this cycle, it's crucial to take care of both our digestive health and our mental health, understanding that they are deeply connected and affect each other. And now let's explore some tips to harmonize the balance between your gut and your mind. Imagine the discomfort of stomach cramps intensifying under stress. It's your body signaling that it's under duress. By adopting methods to unwind, adjusting your daily routines, or engaging in deep breathing exercises, you are not merely soothing your mind, but also giving your digestive system the respite it needs. Our mental health, when addressed, be it anxiety or periods of sadness, can significantly boost our digestive health. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel. Some might give you energy and alleviate your mood, while others could leave you feeling sluggish or down. Keeping a food diary can be a great way to find out what works best for you, because what works for someone else might not be work for you. It's all about personalizing your plate. Consider the findings from research showing individuals consuming certain probiotics felt notably less stressed and more content than those who didn't. These friendly bacteria seem to send calming signals directly to our brain. Key to nurturing healthy digestion and enriching your gut microbiome is incorporating foods high in fiber and probiotics. Yogurt, whole grains, bananas, garlic, kefir, miso, oats, and an array of vegetables stand out as exemplary choices. Moreover, exercise has been shown to enhance the diversity of our gut's microbes. Integrating activities such as jogging or yoga with a gut-nourishing diet not only eases the stomach, but fortifies your mental defenses against anxiety. So how do we effectively navigate this gut-mind nexus? Combining dietary adjustments, stress-reducing techniques, and seeking professional guidance can be profoundly beneficial. A patient of mine battling gastritis found solace in choosing stomach-soothing foods and embracing stress relief practices like yoga and mindfulness. It's crucial, however, to manage your expectations. Seeking quick fixes or expecting immediate disappearance of symptoms might lead to frustration. Embracing patience and compassion towards your health journey invites gradual yet positive changes. And while stress reduction is vital, it's equally important to consult with healthcare professionals and consider the broader biological, psychological, and social dimensions of gut health. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See ya!